If you want to generate a password of 6-digit length without using any special character, so just click on this generate password and it will generate n number of passwords for you. Now let's say you want to use some special character, so change it to yes, and now you can see the changes. Accordingly, you can select the length of the password up to you, then click on generate password. Let's say you want to use this password for your Facebook account, so click on save. Enter the domain here like www.facebook.com and your user ID. Let's say I'm just taking some dummy ID. Click on OK and you can see your password saved successfully. Now if you go to the next sheet that says saved password, you can see the domain name, the ID and the password which you have just selected. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to learn how we can create this password generator in Excel in just 3 steps. So first thing first, you need to open a new Excel sheet. Now once you open a new Excel sheet, we will be using VBA for this. Some of you people who are not aware how to use this VBA, you can see at the top of this video the basics of VBA and you can start from the scratch. Now either you can go to this developer tab, you can click on this Visual Basic and just select your sheet, make a double click on it and you can write the VBA here, or else what I prefer to make a right click on the sheet name and go to view code. Now here I'm going to paste my VBA. You can find the link to this VBA on the description box, and now just save it. I'm going to save it by the name of book 3, and don't forget to save this as macro enabled workbook. Now I have already saved it, so exit out. Now on your keyboard you can press Alt F8 or you can go to the developer tab and click on this macro. Now the first step, you need to click on this sheet that says setup sheet. Now run it and you can see it will automatically generate the complete sheet for you. Now the second step, make a right click on generate password, go to assign macro and assign the password generator macro and click OK. Now the next step, go to the save option, make a right click, click on assign macro and click on save password, then OK. That's it, bingo. Now select the length of your password. Let's say I want to have a 12 digits password with a special character on it. Now click on generate password and you can see every time you press this button you will get a new password here which will be of 12 digits and using a special character as well. Now click on save. If you want to enter a domain you can, if not just click on OK and it will move forward. Now you can see password saved successfully and OK. Similarly you can save your existing credentials under the same sheet so you won't forget it and you don't have to recover it again and again. If you like this video, do give a thumbs up and comment down if you need any modification on this sheet.